Welcome to Priya's Max Note, and in this video we are going to see exercise number 8.2, problem number 1, 2 and 4, and the third problem we have already seen in the previous video. I will provide the link in the description box. You can refer there, and let us go to the problem. And in this video we are going to see problem number 1, 2 and 4 from exercise 8.2, and this problem carries 2 marks, and second problem carries 1 marks each question, and fourth problem carries 1 marks. Problem number 1, sine 60 degree. What is sine 60 degree? Sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. And cos 30 degree. What is cos 30 degree? It is also root 3 by 2. And what is sine 30 degree? Sine 30 degree is 1 by 2, and cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Okay, just substitute the values from the tabular column to the question. That's it, and simplify the equation. Okay, root 3 into root 3 is 3. 2 into 2 is 4. Plus 1 by 4, which is equal to 4 by 4, which is equal to 1. Hence the solution, which is very simple, right? Just substitute the values from the corresponding tabular column. Okay, you have to just remember this tabular column which I have explained in the previous video. Next problem, 2 tan square 45 degree plus cos square 30 degree minus sin square 60 degree. Just substitute the value of tan 45. What is tan 45? It is nothing but 1. 2 into 1 square plus cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 the whole square minus sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 the whole square. Root 3 by 2 the whole square and root 3 by 2 the whole square gets cancelled out, and the remaining value was 2, which is the solution. Hence the solution. Very simple, right, friends? Very simple. Just substitute the values. You can easily get 2 marks. Okay, so please memorize this tabular column. It is very simple. I have given the tips and tricks in the previous video. Please go through that, and I will provide the link in the description. Okay, next problem, cos 45 degree by secant 30 degree plus cosecant 30 degree. Okay, what is cos 45 degree here? It is 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 by secant 30 degree. What is secant 30 degree? What is secant 30 degree? It is 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3. And what is cosecant 30 degree? Cosecant 30 degree is 2. Okay. 1 by root 2 by 2 plus 2 root 3 by 3. Root 3. Okay. Which is equal to 1 by root 2 into root 3 by, when this values go to the top, it will reciprocate. Okay, root 3 by 2 plus 2 root 3, which is equal to root 3 by 2 root 2 plus 2 into root 3 into 2. Okay, which is equal to root 3 by 2 root 2 plus 2 into root 6. Okay, now listen carefully. We are going to rationalize. Rationalize is nothing but, if the denominator is in terms of a plus b, we have to multiply and divide by a minus b. Okay, therefore root 3 by 2 into root 2 plus 2 root 6 into, if it is a plus b, we have to multiply by a minus b. Okay, 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6 divided by a minus b, that is 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6. Now we are going to use the algebraic identity. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. We are going to apply this in the denominator. Okay, therefore root 3 into 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6 divided by a plus b, it is in the form a plus b into a minus b. Therefore a square is 2 root 2 the whole square minus 2 root 6 the whole square, which implies here take the root 2 outside and bring the root 3 inside. Okay, 2 is common here, take the 2 outside and bring the root 3 inside. Root 2 into root 3 is root 6 minus root 3 into root 6 is root 18. Okay, by 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 minus 2 into 2 4, 4 into 6 24. Therefore, which implies 2 into root 6 minus what is root 18, 9 into 2. 9, bring the 9 outside the root, it will become root 3, 3 root 2 by, here it is nothing but minus 16. Now cancel out the 2 here, minus 8. Bring the minus in the numerator, which is nothing but 3 root 2 minus root 6 by 8, which is the answer. Let us solve problem number 4. Just to substitute the value of sine 30 degree. What is sine 30 degree? It is nothing but 1 by 2. And what is tan 45 degree? It is nothing but 1. And what is cosecant of 60 degree? What is cosecant 60 degree? It is 2 by root 3. And what is secant 30 degree? Secant 30 degree is 2 by root 3. And what is cos 60 degree? Cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. And cot 45 degree is 1. Which implies 3 by 2 minus 2 by root 3 by 4 plus root 3 plus 2 root 3 divided by 2 root 3. Okay, which implies 3 root 3 minus 4 by 2 root 3 by 4 plus 3 root 3 by 2 root 3. Cancel out the 2 root 3, which implies 3 root 3 by minus 4 by 3 root 3 plus 4. The denominator is in the form of a plus b. What we have to do? We have to multiply and divide by a minus b. Okay, rationalization. Okay, what is the value of a here? 3 root 3. And what is the value of b here? It is 4. Okay, now multiply and divide by, which implies 3 root 3 minus 4 by 3 3 root 3 plus 4 into 3 root 3 minus 4 by 3 root 3 minus 4. Okay, multiply and divide by 3 root 3 minus 4 and 3 root 3 minus 4. Multiply and divide by 3 root 3 minus 4. Okay. Now what is the denominator form? A plus b into a minus b. What is a plus b into a minus b? Which is nothing but a square minus b square. Therefore 3 root 3, the numerator forms into 3 root 3 minus 4 the whole square by 3 root 3 the whole square minus 4 square, which implies after simplifying 3 root 3, this is a minus b the whole square formula, 3 root 3 the whole square plus 16 minus 2 into 3 root 3 into 4 divided by 9. 9 into 3 minus 16, which is nothing but 11, which is equal to 27 plus 16 minus 24 root 3 by 11, which is equal to 43. 43 minus 24 root 3 by 11. Hence the solution. Hence the solution. Which is very simple. What the points you have to remember to solve this problem? First thing is multiply and divide by a minus b and divide by a minus b form. And second thing is you have to remember the a square minus b square identity, a plus b into a minus b. These are the points you have to remember to solve this equation. Okay, and next problem is problem number 5, which is very simple. Similarly, substitute the values. 5 into what is cos 60 degree? Cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 the whole square plus 4 secant square 30 degree. What is secant 30 degree? It is 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3 the whole square minus what is tan 45? It is 1. Therefore 1 square by what is sine square 30 degree? Sine square 30 degree, that is 1 by 2 the whole square plus cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2 the whole square. Just to simplify, what is the simplification? 5 by 4 plus 16 by 3 minus 1 by 1 plus 3 by 4, which is equal to 67 by 12. Hence the solution. Now let us go to the second problem. Choose the correct option and justify your choice. Okay, you have to choose the correct answer. The same thing, we are going to do the same thing. We are going to apply the values from the tabular column, and we have to find the answer. Okay, what is 2 tan 30 degree by 1 plus tan square 30 degree? Okay, what is 2 tan 30 is 1 by root 3. 2 into 1 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 by root 3 the whole square. Just to simplify, 2 by root 3 into root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3 by 3 plus 1, which is 4. Okay, therefore root 3, here it is 2. This is nothing but root 3 by 2. In tabular column, what are all root 3 by 2? Cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2 and sine 30 degree, sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2. Cos 30 degree or sine 60 degree. But in the choice, there is no cos 30 degree, so it rules out. Therefore, we have to mark the option A. Option A, sine 60 degree is the correct answer. Okay. Now, option A, sine 60 degree is the correct answer. Okay, now let us go to the problem number 2. The same thing we are going to do. What is tan 45 degree is 1. 1 minus 1 by 1 plus 1, which is equal to 0. Therefore, the option D is the correct answer. 0 is the correct answer. Okay. And third problem. What is third problem? Sine 2a is equal to 2 sine a is true when a is equal to what? For this problem we are going to use trial and error method. First option is 0 degree. So apply a equal to 0 degree. If you are lucky, the first answer will be the correct answer. Now let us check. When a is equal to 0 degree, sine 2 into 0 is equal to 0, which is equal to sine 0 is 0. Okay, LHS is 0. And sine 2 into sine 0. 2 into sine 0 is 0. 2 into 0 is 0. RHS is 0. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS, which is true. Therefore, answer for this equation is answer for the statement is problem number option number E. Okay. Now let us solve the fourth statement. The same. We are going to apply the values to the tan 30 degree. What is tan 30 degree here? It is 1 by root 3. Therefore, 2 tan 30 degree by 1 minus tan square 30 degree is equal to 2 into 1 by root 3 by 1 minus 1 by root 3 the whole square, which is equal to 2 by root 3 into 3 minus 1 is 2, 3 by 2, which is equal to root 3. Where and all root 3 comes here? Here comes tan 60 degree is only the root 3. Okay, tan 60 degree. What is tan 60 degree in the question? Where is the option? Option number C is the correct answer. Option number C is the correct answer. Now let us see problem number 4. State whether the following are true or false. Justify your answer. Okay, sin A plus B is equal to sin A plus sin B, which is false because in future we are going to see the identity sin A plus B, cos A plus B and tan A plus B. We are going to see the identities. Now we are going to see whether this statement is true or false. For that we are going to apply uh, uh, angle. Okay, for A equal to 45 degree and B equal to 45 degree, we are going to check whether the statements comes true or false. Okay, or let us suppose let A is equal to 45 degree and B is equal to 45 degree. Okay, then sin A plus B is equal to sine of 45 plus 45 is 90 degree. Sine 90 degree is 1. Okay, LHS is 1. Okay, now RHS, let us see whether it comes same. Sin A plus sin B. Sine 45 degree plus sine 45 degree. What is sine 45? 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2, which is equal to 2 root 2, which is equal to root 2. RHS is root 2, which is not equal. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, the statement is false. We have justified that this statement is false. Okay, now let us move on to the second statement. The value of sine theta increases as theta increases. See in the tabular column, the theta for the angle 0 to 90 degree, the values sine 0 is 0 and it gradually increases to 1. It gradually increases to 1. Okay, therefore the statement is true. From the tabular column. Okay, the value of cos theta increases as theta increases. Let us check the tabular column. When the angle increases from 0 to 90 degree, when the angle increases from 0 to 90 degree, when the angle increases from 0 to 90 degree, cos theta values decreases from 0 to, it decreases from 1 to 0. Okay, you can see it starts from 1 and decreases to 0. Therefore, this statement is false. Okay, now let us see sin theta is equal to cos theta for all values of theta. Let us check the tabular column. For sin 0, what is sin theta value? It is 0. And for theta 0, what is the cos theta value? It is 1. 0 is not equal to 1, therefore the statement is false. And cot A is not defined for A is equal to 0. For A equal to 0, what is the value for cot theta? It is infinity, which is not defined. Therefore, the statement is true. Hence we have found all the answer for the exercise number 8.2. The complete solution I have solved for you people. So please subscribe my channel, and if you like it, please share it to your friends also. And thank you once again. Thank you all.